For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to install a boot hook with a die or a hand machine. Step 1. Get the right tools. You will need your boot hooks, boot hook die set, top die holder, bench die holder, revolving leather punch, and a rawhide hammer. For those using a hand machine, you will need your hand machine. Step 2. Set up your die set. First, we are going to use the die without the hand machine. Screw on the die set to the bench die holder, and then the top die holder. The bottom die that screws into the bench die holder should have a cavity to place the boot hook on when setting. Next, place the boot hook into the cavity so the post of the hook is sticking up. Step 3. Cut a hole in leather. Cut a hole in your materials if needed, then place over the boot hook post. Step 4. Set up your boot hook. Place the top die holder so it fits in the post of the boot hook. Take a rawhide mallet and firmly hit it in place a few times. Another option for setting your boot hook is to use a hand machine. To do this, you will need the boot hook die set. Screw in the top and bottom die into the hand machine. Place the boot hook into the cavity again so the post of the hook is sticking up. Place your materials over the boot hook post, and when everything is in place, pull the hand machine crank down hard. And there you have it, setting a boot hook with a die set or a hand machine. Try it for yourself. Find all the tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.